Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. In this video I'm going to be share with you how you can make a poster in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Then click the first link, free design tool. After clicking on this link you will be end up a page like this, which is your Canva logged in profile. So just if you start working, click on this create a design. Then click on poster, or you can write here poster, and it will be like this. It has different sizes. Just confirm your size and click on a poster. I'm clicking on this one. So after clicking on this you will be end up a page like this. This is the editing portion and this is the templates. So you have to pick a template and make edit here. So I'm picking this one. After picking this one you can edit every portion you want. So I'm editing this one. Double click on this and click here 2023 or whatever you want to write. Double click, backspace from your keyboard, it will be removed, and start typing. Okay, so this is looks like so small. If you want to make it big, just click on Control from your keyboard and scroll up from the mouse, and it will be zoom like this. So if you want to add your picture here, so double click on this, click on backspace from your keyboard, and it will be removed. And you can add picture by going uploads. You have to upload your file here, but I have already uploaded my file, so I'm choosing this one. Just click on your picture and make it small, and just fit here by dragging in. It will be adjusted automatically. Okay guys, so you also can change the background color. This is blue, so you can change it another color. Just double click on it, and you can see here animated, sorry, not this. Double click and you can see here background color. Click on this and you will be, if you scroll down you can find many colors. So choose one. I'm choosing the green one or the ash color. Okay, this looks good maybe. So if you want to change your number, then just double click and backspace from your keyboard and pick the number here. Okay guys, so your banner is ready. If you want to save it or share it, just click on share button and write here the email address you want to share with. And if you click on send, it will be sent to that guy or person, and it will be saved automatically. Okay guys, so basically this is how you can edit or make a poster in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.